Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to show you how to convert a zip file to JPG online, right from your Windows PC. If you've downloaded a zip file that contains images and want to extract them as JPGs, this quick guide will make it easy for you. First, open your browser and head over to easyzip.com/easyzip.com. This free online tool lets you extract and convert zip files to JPG format, all without needing to install anything. Once the site loads, look for the Zip to JPG converter. This will ensure you're in the right section. Click the Select Zip File to Convert button. This will open a file chooser where you can browse your computer for the zip file you want to convert. Locate and select the zip file, and once you open it, the website will begin processing it. You'll then see a preview of all the JPG files inside the zip archive. From here, simply click the green Save button next to the JPG you want to download. This will save the file directly to your computer. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tech tips.